So what is the molar mass of cadmium 2 iodide? Well, let's use the table to help us figure it out. Bam! So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the elements that I see in the compound. So we see cadmium, Cd, and we see iodine, I. Next we have to identify the number of atoms. That's where the subscripts come into play. So at the bottom of cadmium, there is an invisible one down there. So that means there's one cadmium. And there are 2 iodine. Then we're going to take those number of atoms of each element and then multiply it by the mass of that particular element. Where do we find the mass? You got it, periodic table. So let's take a look. So cadmium here is about 112.41 and iodine is about 126.90. Those units can either represent gram per mole if you're solving for molar mass or AMU if you're solving for molecular mass. The units of mass are different there. However, the magnitudes of the numbers are the same. All right, so let's write those in. So it's going to be 112.41 for cadmium, and then iodine is 126.90. And then all we're simply going to do to find the total mass of the element now is just multiply the row across, right? So if each cadmium weighs this, and you have one of them, then obviously the total mass of the cadmium there is going to be 112.41. And then same thing for iodine. This is the mass of each iodine, but you have 2 of them, so you're going to multiply it by 2 to find the total mass of iodine, right? And that's going to be 253.80. And then all we're going to simply do to find the total mass of the compound is to then add up this column. And that's it, right? When you add that up, it comes out to be about 366.21. Since we're solving for molar mass, the units here are in grams per mole. Thanks so very much for tuning in. Easy peasy, right? This little table is very handy. And that's all there is to it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.